For our next workout, we have a 12-minute full body, high intensity interval training for beginners. Get ready to work your upper body, lower body, and your core. We're gonna get started in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High knees for 20 seconds. Go at the level that you can go. If you need to march this out, that's okay. If you can keep up with what you're seeing on the screen, awesome job. We want you to just get through this workout. You're doing an awesome job. We're so excited to have you with us today. We're going to stay here for 3, 2, 1, and we're moving into 30 seconds of squats. Watch your form here. You want to keep your glutes tight, your core tight, and make sure that your knees and toes are aligned on the down. If you need a squat tutorial, I've got one posted in the description below. You've got about 15 seconds here. You're doing an awesome job. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You've earned this first 30-second rest. Go ahead and grab a drink of water. Take big, deep breaths and enjoy this recovery time. You have earned it. If you need a longer rest, pause the video, come back to it. We've got you. Take this at your own pace. We're so excited that you're here. No matter what your fitness level, you are in the right place. I'll help you make modifications as you need it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're moving into those high knees. Again, if you need to march that out, do that. Go at whatever pace you need. 10 more seconds here. You're doing an awesome job. Don't forget to breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're moving into push-ups. Now, if you need to modify these, couple modifications, you can go down to a knee push-up. You can go to a wall push-up. To do that, stand arm's length against the wall and push yourself forward and back. Whatever you need to do to get through these 30 seconds, do it. I'm so proud of you for showing up. We've got just a couple more seconds here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have earned that next recovery period. Great job. You're doing awesome. Keep it up. 20 seconds left. Big, deep breaths. The more you bring your heart rate down during these recovery periods, the more that you will get out of this workout. 10 more seconds here. So get ready to work. We're going right back into 20 seconds of high knees in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High knees and work it. 10 seconds. You're doing great. Keep it up. No matter what pace you're going at, you're doing awesome. So proud of you. 5, 4, 3, 1. We're moving into reverse plank. We've got 30 seconds here. And if you need to make this a little easier, you can come down into your elbows. Whatever you need to do to get through the 30 seconds. Again, take it there. 15 seconds here. You're doing great. Big deep breaths. And hold 10 seconds, almost there, and then you've got another rest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. You're doing an awesome job. 20 seconds. And yes, we're going right back into those high knees in about 10 seconds. You're doing great. 3, 2, 1. High knees. 10 seconds. You're doing an awesome job. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have got 30 seconds of squats. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. You're doing great. Keep watching that form. We're going to move into our next rest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You've earned this rest. Great job. You are 5 minutes into this workout. I'm so proud of you for showing up, saying yes to your health, to your body, to your goals. When everyone else said no, you said yes, you showed up, you are putting in the work, and we are so proud to have you in the Six Pack Factory fam. We are getting ready to move into those high knees in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, high knees. Halfway there, you're at 10 seconds. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push-ups. And again, you can modify this any way that you need. If you need to get to the wall, if you need to go down on your knees, do whatever you need to do. And as you progress through the workout, if it's getting harder and harder to maintain a good form in the push-up style that you're in, go ahead and bring it down to the next level. If you're doing a regular push-up, bring it down to your knees. If you're on your knees, take it to the wall. Whatever you need to do, we are here for you. You're showing up and saying yes. You got that rest in 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. You've earned this rest. Big deep breaths. I'm going to keep saying that throughout these workouts because it's so important to breathe, to bring your heart rate down, to recover during this recovery time. You're doing great. 15 more seconds here. Keep going. You're doing a great job. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High knees. We are over halfway done with this workout. You showed up, you said yes, and you are halfway through. Keep going. I believe in you. You've got this. Only 10 more seconds of these high knees, and then we are going to move into that reverse plank in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down. We are going into that reverse plank. 30 seconds starts now. And you really want to watch the form you've got with your neck. You don't want to put any strain on your neck. Keep a nice neutral neck looking straight up at the ceiling. You're doing great. Only 15 more seconds here. Let's move into rest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You've got another 30-second rest. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Start coming on back. We're going to get started back into those high knees in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 20 seconds of high knees. Go. I know you're getting tired. This one's a challenging workout, but you're doing an awesome job. You only got 10 more seconds of this round of high knees. And then we're going to move right into those squats in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds of squats. And as you get more tired, this is when it becomes really important to maintain your form. Keep your form over the number of reps that you're getting in. So especially as a beginner, you're just learning these moves, you're incorporating them into your workout routine. Keeping a nice solid squat form is key here, especially as you get tired. We're moving into that rest in 3, 2, 1. 30-second rest here. Only 3 more minutes to go. I know you've got this. You're doing awesome. And this is your workout for the day. You're building muscle. You are burning calories. And the best part about these high intensity interval training workouts is that you are going to keep burning calories after the workout because of the structure of this. This is how the 6-week six-pack challenge is formatted. So if you like this, join us there. We're going into those high knees. 20 seconds. Get at it. Go, go, go. And we do offer the first week of the 6-week six-pack challenge absolutely free, so you can try it out and see if it's for you. If you like this workout, I know you're gonna love the challenge. 3, 2, 1, moving into those push-ups. You've got this. And again, your form is so important here. You want to make sure that as you get more and more tired, that you are keeping a good form. Maintain the form so that you aren't twerking your neck in a funny way, that you're not pulling anything. You got 10 more seconds here. So proud of you. We're going to get into that rest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 30-second rest. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Now, I didn't let you know this earlier, but I've got a surprise for you. This is the very last round. All you've got is high knees, go 20 seconds, and then after that we are going to do the reverse plank, and then we are done with today's workout. You have done an awesome job. 10 seconds of these high knees. Keep it going on this last set. Put as much intensity into it as you can. 3, 2, 1, moving into that reverse plank. We've got 30 seconds here starting now. And then you are done for your workout for the day. Keep coming back and joining us. We have different workouts available on this stream. Join us tomorrow. We'd love to be your home for your fitness journey. 15 seconds of this reverse plank. Keep it up. You can do it. Hold it strong. Even if your arms are shaking, you've only got 7 seconds. Keep going. All right, you are done in 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. Congratulations, you're showing up and doing the work to get in shape and finally get the six-pack abs you've always wanted. Are you ready to accelerate your results and get ripped faster than you ever thought possible? That's why we created the 6-week six-pack challenge. This step-by-step challenge has everything you need to get absolutely shredded and put those washboard abs on display fast. The 6-week six-pack challenge will help you shed those extra pounds and pack on lean muscle while honing in on your core strength and getting six-pack abs. It's worked for over 200,000 men, and I know it can work for you too. We've done all the hard work to create a science-backed system that actually works to get you ripped. We're so confident that you will love the challenge that we are giving you the first week free. All you need to do is click on over to 6weeksixpack.com and start the challenge today. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you had an awesome workout. Six Pack Factory is your one-stop shop for at-home fitness. We help you lose weight, build muscle, and get six-pack abs, all from the comfort of your own home. So if you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell notification so that you can get notified whenever we post brand new content. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like down below. It really helps us. And be sure to comment below with what was your favorite part of the workout. And we really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for being a part of the Six Pack Factory fam. We'll see you next time.